It's a big gust. Kind of cool near the trees because whenever there's a big gust of wind, you can hear it through the trees. So kind of give it a small, like, 5-second heads up. Here it comes again. That last one, we moved a little bit back. So probably near tropical storm force winds, I'm guessing. Well, here's another one. That almost like a funnel over there. That cloud. Strange. See it? Kind of looks like a funnel, but I don't think it is. There's the sun peeking out again. Strong winds over here. And you can definitely see it pounding the trees whenever a big gust comes in. Probably put this in parts because it'll take a while for this video to load if I can post it on YouTube. Texas, strong wind, and a thunderstorm over there, another one way back over there. You probably can't see it too much. Yeah. There's another gust. Branson that hit me. There's some more storms off in the distance over there. Hopefully you can see them. And then we got this one over here. It seems to be weakening right now, and you can see the cloud tops on it. Really pretty. Trying to talk before another gust comes in, but amazing. And I'll see if I get some more footage of those clouds over there in the next clip. Okay, I'm kind of sheltered right now, so it's not going to be too windy back here. But there's the other storms over there, and some more back there. Gonna gonna get it back into the wind again so you can